Hi there, welcome back to another week of Counter-Strike game and skin market update. This is Skinomics2, and this video covers the 29th of July to the 4th of August. This week's update is a relatively short one, as we do not have too much going on. Now, let's dive right in. There was no significant headline this week, but I would like to provide an update on the Loving Eyes sticker situation, which is a sticker using an allegedly stolen artwork by a Japanese artist which had filed a DMCA takedown request. As I predicted 2 weeks ago, the sticker has dropped in value almost back to its pre-DMCA price. This is because we have almost received confirmation from Valve that another contraband item like the Howl would be impossible. As seen on screen, the original artist has expressed interest at designing a replacement, which is what I would like to see, as a similar style sticker will be great for all existing crafts. The original workshop page for the Loving Eyes sticker has also been removed. However, the in-game item still is here for the time being. Moving on, let's take a look at our weekly craft idea. I have a really cheap and interesting idea this week. By using 5 Copenhagen stickers, you can create a lion. What you need to do first is place an Eternal Fire sticker as the tail, then 2 Vitality stickers as the legs, then any 2 Na'Vi player stickers as the body, then finally, a Lim Vision sticker as the head. The entire craft will cost less than 50 cents US and can be applied to any gun with a large blank surface. Taking a look now at the skins market, we have another week of increases in the portfolio of skins I have selected to represent the market. This is fantastic news and signals a sign of recovery in player confidence to the game. Moving on to trade volume, thanks again to iTrade.gg for providing this data. The volume does not show anything significant this week, with a slight dip on the 1st of August, but not significant. Now, let's break the market movements down into categories. Starting off, knives and gloves have increased overall, but only on select items. This is the same case for higher tiered weapon skins. Certain items on the market have jumped in price, whilst the rest remain relatively flat. However, this is not the case for Asian skins, which saw considerable increases across the board. Sir Bloody Miami shot up by over 10%, with number K and goggles following closely behind at over 8%. Last but not least, affordable weapon skins have been relatively flat in the past week. Looking at case unboxing numbers, this is perhaps the most surprising of all numbers this week. We see unboxing numbers for the week jump all the way to 6.8 million. We last saw numbers this high at the start of June. The player numbers have remained relatively steady in the past week compared to the weeks before. I think the reason for this jump is the Blast tournament this week perhaps revitalizing people's desire for cases. The increased case unboxing numbers translated to case prices quite well. Notably, the Chroma 2 case price went up by 11.72%. This phenomenon extends to the active cases this week as well, but there are a couple highlights. The Dreams and Nightmare, being the most desired active case, went up by 11.01%, but more remarkably is that the Kilowatt case went up by 4%, which is rare for a relatively new case. Now it's time to take a peek at this week's biggest winners and losers. In winners, we have the Stockholm Spirit sticker gaining the most, which is due to Spirit's performance in the Blast groups, as we will cover in the section. Other than that, we have the MP7 skulls from the weapons case, and the M4A4 Tornado of a really old Inferno collection. In losers, we have the Cluj-Napoca tournament sticker. This sticker originally went up with CS2, as the collection gained attraction from all the player stickers being able to be straped into tiny logos. However, now it is coming back down as the tournament sticker itself is nothing significant. The other 2 declines are very minor, so we will move on. There were no game updates this week, so we will quickly gloss over to the pro scene. In pro scene, last week, 3D Max bet Mongols to win the Sky ESports Championship in India. This week, the Blast groups saw most of the top teams battle it out. The top 6 from the Blast groups qualify for the finals to be played later this year. There are 4 groups, and each of the first places qualify, whilst 2 out of the 4 second places makes it. The first places were Spirit, Vitality, G2, and Liquid. The second place games are yet to be played as of this video. I quite look forward to these games. In transfers this week, Starry joins Tai Lu, Fluxo closes in on Kai, and MCal is set to replace Icy with Topo. You have now reached the end of this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for tuning in, and see you in the next one. Bye.